Hi everyone and welcome. So recently I have purchased this SuperMini ESP32-C3 board. Okay, here you can see ESP32 SuperMini module. Now this video is a quick guide, or you can say getting started guide with ESP32-C3 SuperMini. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the Blink example in this ESP32-C3 SuperMini board. So what you can do is you can plug your USB to type C cable, and then you can press this boot button. This one is the boot button, so you can press this boot button and you can connect your board like this. Power LED will be on. Here you can see. Okay, and here we have another LED which we are going to blink using the Arduino sketch. And now I'm going to open the Arduino here, and here is our Arduino sketch. So our LED is connected on the pin number 8, and what I'm going to do is I will select board here, which is ESP32C3 development module. Okay, here is the COM port number. I'll press OK, and then we can directly upload this sketch to our ESP32C3 board. Now let me turn off the light so you can see it clearly. Okay, all done. Now what you have to do is you have to press the reset button. So once you press the reset button, you can see LED started blinking. Okay, on time is 5 seconds, off time is 1 second. So it will stay on for 5 seconds, and then it will turn off for 1 second, and then again it will turn on for 5 seconds. Now I'm going to change it to 2500 for both on and off, and then I'm going to upload the sketch. Here you can see the sketch is not getting uploaded because we have to again press the boot button, and then we have to connect our ESP32 with system. So you have to remove it, you have to press boot button, you have to connect again, and then you can press on upload. Okay, done uploading. Now you can press reset button, and here you can see on time 2.5 second, off time 2.5 second. Okay, so this is the basic getting started guide for your ESP32C3 SuperMini board. Okay, now let's meet in the future videos with more example with ESP32C3 SuperMini board. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.